Okay, folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. The public address announcer is talking, so hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. Got a beautiful Belair here. This is one of my favorite cars, a bubble top. Oh my God, look at this car. Absolutely beautiful. 1962 Belair bubble top 4-speed car.
Thank you to Noble Jim Turner, Lady Kathy Turner.
Oh yeah, we got a big block.
19 years. And thanks to you at this audience, many of you have been a part of this for the 19 years.
Too many people standing right over there. Trying to move over to this side. Hope you guys can hear.
Make some noise.
62
There you go.
bubble top Belair.
You've been 19 years. Thanks to you for those 19 years, you have raised over $150,000 to help support the Shriners Hospitals for Children. So thank you very much. I'm going to introduce to you today and welcome our illustrious potentate or CEO.
That's a skinny little shifter.
Tim Davis and his Lady Lee.
Guys, we're hammering on that shifter. Let me see if I can get past
Lady Lee, the audience.
Thank you. And first thing to say, thank you to everybody who
What a beautiful car. My goodness.
even to the concession.
Long and lean and mean. I like them like that.
Last year, Victory won Oasis Shriners out of Charlotte, North Carolina. Was able to raise $1 million.
All right, folks. I'm going to walk over here and check out the swap meet. Oh, I said Dodge. I got to go check out this Dodge. Oh, my God. All right, folks. We'll be back with you on some more cars.